In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields, also known as properties, in HubSpot. This is an essential feature if you need to collect and organize specific data points that are tailored to your business needs. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you feel confident in setting up these custom fields. Let's start by accessing the settings within your HubSpot portal. You'll want to locate the settings icon, which appears as a small gear, present in the top navigation bar. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to a section where you manage various configurations of your HubSpot account. In this section, look for Data Management, and within that category, select Properties. This is the area where all your data pertaining to different objects like contacts, companies, and deals is managed. Now that we're in Properties, the next step is to determine which object type you want to create a custom field for. You have several options here, depending on the nature of your business needs. For example, you might choose from contacts, companies, or deals. Once you've made your selection, it's time to create the new custom field. You'll see a button labeled Create Property. Go ahead and click that to get started. At this point, you'll provide some basic information about your custom field. First, confirm that the object type displayed matches the one you selected earlier. Next, you might want to group your custom field either by selecting an existing group or creating a new one, which helps in organizing these fields more systematically. For the display name of your custom field, enter a label that makes sense and is easy to understand for anyone using your HubSpot account. HubSpot will automatically generate an internal name for this field, but you do have the option to modify it if you'd like something more specific to your business context. Additionally, to ensure clarity, include a description that defines the purpose and use of this field. This can be especially helpful for your team when referring back to or using the field in the future. The next important step is to select the field type. There are various options available, such as text, number, dropdown, date, and more. Choose a field type that best aligns with the kind of data you intend to collect. For example, if you need a field where users can select a date, use the date field type. You also have the option to set rules for your new field. This could include validation rules, which make sure the data collected in a field meets certain criteria, or setting default values for fields that have predetermined information. Finally, after reviewing all the information and ensuring everything is set correctly, click Create to save your new custom field. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom field in HubSpot, ready to tailor your data collection to meet your unique business needs.